Hello everyone. Now we are going to demonstrate how to set up the OAG Mini, the physics wheel, 8 position, and the rear TED plate, and the Iris M Pro camera. And we need screws from the OAG and another screw bike from the camera and the screwdrivers. That's all we need. Maybe you watched the Poseidon tutorings about how to set up those things together, but I think it's not a perfect sequences. So I made this new video to demonstrate how to do the perfect setup of all these items. We are going to start with the OEG and the filter wheel. The first step is to remove the front piece of the OEG. This sequence is the best way to set up all the product together, and it will be very safe. The screws won't drop on the camera anymore. And now we can see the OEG is here, and we need to push the prism hidden in the OEG body, so it will not cover the screw holes here. And next step is to set up the OEG on the filter wheel, and we need to use the screws from the OEG bag. Firstly, we need to put the screws into the screw holes. And don't worry, it's very safe. Even the screws drops, it will not drop on the filters. Okay. To back up screws. And the next step is very important. Do not put the OEG touch the filter wheel. You need to put it over the filter wheel and looking for the right direction, and very carefully to screw up the screws. Do not make them drop on the filter. Very carefully. Okay. When the screws is screwed into the holes, it will be very safe to make them tight. Okay, the next step is to set up the front piece of the OEG. If you need, we provide two front piece. This is M48 and another one is M54. Okay. Now we finish the connection of the OEG and the filter wheel, and we put it here. The next step is very important. This is a real 4-point TED plate, if we want to use it, we need to separate the plate A and B. We need to remove the 4 pull screws on the tight plate. Okay, we can separate it. The plate A has a flat side, and this is A to face to the filter wheel. And the plate B, it has a step here. It has step and it's on the camera. And the next step is to connect the plate A with the filter wheel. Now we need the screws from the camera package. We need 6 of them, and remember the directions. The outer circle, the screw hose is on the top button, left and right, and the inner circle is like this. This is the right direction, and we put the screws into the holes first. And to line up the plate and the filter wheel, fan out the position and connect it. Okay, so we put it on the side, and the last step is connect the plate B on the camera. The first we need to remove the original tight plate of the camera. Okay, put it on the side, and the plate B, the direction outer circle is on the top button, left to right, and inner circle is like this. And the plate has a step here. This side is to face to the camera, so we need to rotate it like this. The camera, the model name is on the button, so this is the right direction. The outer circles on the top and on the button, the screw holes. And we need a few screws. Very carefully to set up it. Don't make the screws drop on the protective window. Okay. The last step is to pull them together and with the right directions, and it's here. Put the four pull screws from the tight plate back here. And tighten the screws. Okay, tighten them. Then the setup is complete. And you will see all the things is connected very well. And the last thing is to put the prism down here and choose the height of the prism. Okay. This is the whole setup. Thanks for watching.